Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are doing well. So we are back with another video tutorial of HTML and CSS. Here we will make a square image into a circle image like we use on profiles, circle avatar we use. So here first of all I have made two files, HTML index.html and style.css, and I have also image in this folder. So what we will do, first of all we will make HTML snippet. So this is HTML snippet, and here we will just make a container div, and inside this container we will use image, and image we have this address of this image. I have to connect the CSS. Yes, now when I save this file, so here you can see we have the image, but it's on square, it's not in circle. So what we will do, we will just come here and we will first of all we will make default margin and padding in 0, margin 0 and padding in 0, box sizing will be border box. So first of all we will center that container, so our image will be shown on container. Yes, that's good. And here first of all we will do this display flex, align items will be in center and justify content will be in center. So you can see this is on center now. So here we will target that image which we have used here, and first of all we will give it width of 150 pixel and also height of 150 pixel, and then we will use the border radius 50% sorry. So you can see our results. The image is finally the circle, and we can use this image on our profiles, and for like this we use our images on our profile. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share and subscribe my channel, and also follow my Facebook page. Thank you.